Hey guys, Erica here, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today because I have some Easter cards I want to share with you and an Easter tag. I'm going to start with showing you the dies that I used first, and then I'll share with you what I created with them. And I did not pull every single die that I used, but I'm going to show you what I did bring down, and then I'll link my video, my previous video that I shared with you, all of those Easter dies, in case you want to use that video as a reference to see what die I used. Okay, so let's get started. I did use this Easter egg set, this big one, and this one right here has some really cute little hearts in it, and it's absolutely adorable. I did use this nested double stitched circle set. And then I also used this double stitched square die set that I just recently picked up. I did use this basket die, and it's a very nice size, really pretty. I did use this Alina craft tag die, and for those ladies that were looking for this die, it is back in stock, so you can go and find it. So yay for that, because this is a very popular tag die right now, and a lot of people had been messaging me and asking me about it, and I just saw that on the website they did have more of these in stock, so yay for that. I did use this bow die right here. This one and this one go together. That's one of my favorites. I did use this Cat Scrappiness bunny die, which I recently shared as well. And then I used a Cat Scrappiness border die from the set. And then I used this Easter egg die right here. All right, so let me just share with you what I created. Here is my first tag, and I just had to play with that basket. I thought it was so super cute. So I used the basket, and then I layered it with some glitter paper behind the part that is punched out, and then same thing with the heart. Layered the yellow glitter and then used a puffy sticker on top. And then you see the Easter eggs laid inside of the basket. I did use some dimensional tape to raise the basket so that you could kind of so it kind of looks realistic. And then I used this little bow die right here. That's a little inker design die. And there's that really pretty bow that I'm always sharing with you guys. I love that bow. And then of course the tag set is the one that I just shared from Alina Crafts. So super cute tag. Love the way that came out. And here is my first Easter card share. I did not bring that banner die down. I do apologize, but that is a die. And then that cute little bunny rabbit, I've shared him. And he's holding the flower, and I just put a fabric flower on top of it. And I did emboss this bunny rabbit, and it just says Happy Easter. And I apologize, I don't remember what stamp set I used. It might be Pink and Maine, but I'm not sure. I can't remember. And then this is the inside. I did use the wonky stitch die that is also a Cat Scrappiness die. And then this is the back of my card, and I just hand stamped my card and die cut it out with the little wonky stitch square or rectangle. And a lot of people have been asking me where I got my handmade stamp, and it is a seller off of eBay. If I remember, I will link the seller in my description box below, so you can order your own personalized stamp. All right, so that's my first card share. I love the way it came out. And it looks like this bunny is missing a little button. I did use those little pearls on the little, on the buttons, or on the tails for the bunnies, and I just noticed that one's missing, so I'm gonna have to add another one. But super cute card. And then this is the next card that I made using that Easter egg, and then I die cut it out of glitter cardstock and used a My Creative Time bow. I used this flower right here, which I don't think I brought down, but it's a really pretty die. And then this die right here is another die that I have in my stash. And basically what I did was I ran the die through the die cut machine, this striped one, and then I went back with the Easter egg die so that I could create the center, and I just used those dies together to create this card, and I really like the way it came out. And this is the inside of the card, and it reads Happy Easter, and again I use that really pretty flower die right there, and this die I did share in the previous video, and just check the description box below for product information. I will try to list everything for you guys. And then here's the back of that card. I just did the same thing. So super cute. And this is the Echo Park paper that I picked up from Tuesday morning. I think I'm almost out of it, you guys. I need some more paper. All right, so this is the next, this is just a card base. I haven't actually made the card yet completely, but what I did was I used those little bunnies that I showed you guys the other day, and I just decided to play with the double stitched square die set that I just picked up. I really like that size die. It's like 6 by 6, and it's perfect for those pizza boxes. And Nurse Tara is the one who shared that die, and when she shared it, I knew that I wanted it. So hey Tara, if you're watching, so pick that up, and I just layered it a couple of times, and then I used this little scalloped edge die that's in my stash. And then these are just stickers from the collection, and then there's that Easter basket again that I shared with you at the beginning of the video, and I think it came out really cute. And then there is where I used that double stitch circle. As you can see, there's stitching around the circle, and then when you run it through your die cut machine, there's a stitching outside of the circle as well. But I just used the circle that was inside, that was cut out. So I think this is going to be a really cute card, and I just was trying to use up some of those stickers and play with my dies. And then this is the last card that I have to share with you. And it's just a really small mini Easter card. I did use a scalloped circle die to create the card. These are the cat scrappiness bunnies that I cut out, and then that's a little egg or little grass die that I have. And then I actually used a die from my stash to create the little wonky stitches in the wonky stitch in the circle of the stitched scalloped die, if that makes sense. I'm so sorry, you guys. I did not pull that die, but I will share it with you in the description box below. You'll see what I'm talking about. It doesn't cut out any like pieces. It just makes the little wonky stitch. So that's how I created that. So I think it came out adorable. This is the inside, and that is I believe that's a stamp from Michaels. And then I just die cut it out with this stitched circle die that I have in my stash. And then I created the card using the scalloped circle die. And it's really easy to create a card base from your dies, just using different shapes. So I think this is absolutely adorable. I used that twine that I picked up from Tuesday morning, and it's just really cute and simple, and it's small. So that is my card share for you guys today. Thank you for watching. Please leave me a comment. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye for now.